Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make time update in Roblox Studio. First, understand that dynamic time significantly improves game realism and player immersion. The lighting service is crucial for managing environmental properties, including the time of day. You will primarily interact with the clock time property, which directly controls the current hour. This property uses a 24-hour format, allowing for precise adjustments throughout your game world. To begin scripting time progression, insert a new script into Server Script Service. Inside this script, you will access game, lighting, clock time to directly modify the current hour. Implement a simple while true do loop to continuously update the time. Increment clock time by a small decimal value, such as 0.1 within each iteration. Remember to include a task. Wait for a smooth, controlled update rate, preventing rapid, jarring changes. For a complete day-night cycle, use a for loop that iterates clock time from 0 to 24. This covers a full 24-hour period. Within the loop task, wait is essential to control the speed of the cycle, making it as fast or slow as desired. For even smoother visual transitions, consider utilizing tween service. It allows for gradual changes to the clock time property, creating a more natural and less abrupt shift between day and night. You can trigger various in-game events based on the updated time. For instance, when clock time reaches a specific value, like 6 for sunrise or 18 for sunset, you can activate unique game mechanics. This might include changing lighting effects, spawning specific non-player characters, or initiating quests. Use conditional statements, such as if statements, to check the current clock time and execute actions accordingly, adding dynamic elements to your game world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.